In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to deposit money from Opay to Payoneer. So basically, it's not actually possible to deposit money from Opay to Payoneer, because Payoneer is an international website and they can only send money from Payoneer. You can only send money from Payoneer to Opay. So you have to add your Opay account details inside your Payoneer, and that is if Payoneer also supports Opay. But you deposit Naira into Payoneer is not possible, because Opay is a Nigerian or let's say an African platform, but then is a Nigerian platform, because other countries cannot actually have their currency on this platform. So they can only receive money from Payoneer to Opay if that's possible. But the one that I can actually I can assure you is that you cannot deposit money from Opay to Payoneer. So I just want to clear the air, because some people are gonna be like, I think you're gonna walk us through how to go about it. Maybe it's possible or not. So I believe once you found this video, you're not gonna stress yourself again, because there are some people out there whereby they don't just watch a video and then they prefer suffering from one video to another, whereas there is no solution to something like that. So I provided you solution. You don't have to search again. And if you want to abuse me, you can. The comment section is free, right? It's not possible. Payoneer is an international website. You cannot deposit Naira into a Payoneer account. They don't support Naira, but they can actually send out Naira. They can convert your money for you, because you are running a Nigeria account, and Payoneer is an international website. If you receive a foreign currency through it, they can convert it to you to your bank, and then you're gonna receive it. So that is the one I actually understand.